For sale, 2016 Freightliner MT45 mechanic step, van with generator and air compressor. Low miles offered for sale is a low mileage 2016 Freightliner MT45 step van configured as a fully equipped mechanic and utility service truck, ideal for contractors, mobile technicians, and field service professionals. This Class 5 medium-duty truck is powered by a Cummins ISB 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine rated at 200 horsepower and paired with a 6-speed Allison 1000 RDS automatic transmission and 4x2 drivetrain. The engine is turbocharged, 6-cylinder, diesel-powered, and the unit does not include a differential lock. The truck rides on spring suspension with hydraulic brakes and a single rear axle configuration. It carries an 18,000-pound GVWR supported by a 7,000-pound front axle rating and 11,000-pound rear axle rating with a 158-inch wheelbase and steel wheels. The body is a Utilimaster step van configuration. Body number 162304140470751, offering 13 feet 8 inches of interior workspace, providing ample room for tools, equipment, and materials. The interior is fully outfitted with shelving, bins, workbench, and extensive storage compartments, making it ready for immediate job site deployment. The truck is equipped with a Cummins 09 commercial generator showing 1,889 hours and a Boss underdeck air compressor system, supplying reliable onboard power and pneumatic capability. Additional features include power outlets throughout the body, work lights, traffic arrow signaling, easy rear access through step bumper and swing doors, and driver plus 2 passenger seating configuration. The cab interior is finished in black with a regular cab layout and includes AC and cruise control. The unit is not equipped with power windows, power locks, or collision mitigation. Described as fully loaded and ready for work, this MT45 presents an excellent opportunity for contractors seeking a self-contained mobile service platform.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.